Riches are in the niches. Okay, basically you need to pick your marketplace, okay, your people, whatever you want to call it. You need to think about what market you want to be able to promote, okay? And I tell you this so strongly because it's a big deal. And you don't want to start off and thinking, oh, there's a lot of money making in the health industry, but you're not really into that. Does that make sense? Because the biggest three are health, wealth, and relationships. Does that mean that you have to pick one of those? No. But they're the biggest three that you're going to make the most money and it's the most popular.
Not only do you want something that's popular and that you like, definitely you want to make sure that it's something you're interested in, but you want to search to make sure that everybody else might want it too. Now, let's use an example. Raised gardens, okay? Gardening. I'll tell you more about a sub-niche in a minute, but raised gardens is a sub-niche of gardening, because gardening would be too big. Okay, let's search. Kind of like rock hard abs or something like that. How to get your abs hard is an example of, the fitness. Okay. 83. It shows you here. I'm going to show you my favorite place. It's actually where I usually start off first. Okay. And then you can go to answer the public. It's another good one. It doesn't give you as much as Uber. See, I would think this would be a better one than it was. But this might be where you could start. Let's say raised gardens. Because if it's doing good on YouTube, then it's going to be doing good usually other places. Now, I'll put a link for vidIQ. I pay, I think, $5 or $10 for it, but you can use it for free. And this right here, vidIQ is amazing. I also use TubeBuddy, but if it's 40 and above, that's good. And then it tells you the volume and the competition, so it's below. So depending on, what you're talking about with raised gardens, like this is where I would start. So after I see this, it would let me know to continue on to here. So if someone was to choose this, they might want to change it up a little bit, because right here, there's not many people asking the specific questions that has to do with raised gardens. Okay, another one would be making yeast bread. Because, there's a lot of people that knows how to, they're in cooking, but they're going to talk about yeast bread. Okay, that's kind of about the same. It says questions. When making yeast bread, why is yeast bread? Okay, yeast in making bread. Okay, then we're going to look here. Okay, so that's a good example on showing you how to look for it, period, to see if everybody else is or not. And let's go a little deeper into sub-niches.
And then you also have sub-niches. So, for example, make money online, you would have affiliate marketing. And the health and wealth would be a women's tight tummy. I use this example in all of my YouTube videos. And then with relationships, then you have intimacy. You pick your market, you pick your category, okay? And then you pick something in it that you really, really like. And let me tell you this, once you get started, like I chose affiliate marketing, and I love affiliate marketing. But while I'm in affiliate marketing, I got really big on doing short form videos. And I loved it. So I'm like, okay, I really like being able to teach video. So I help a lot of people with their video, with YouTube and short form. But I help a lot of people with video. But I didn't realize how much I liked doing that with video until I got into the whole affiliate marketing area, because that's actually part of it.
Unless you like written content, which is fine too. And this day and age, you can use AI to write your content for you. Speaking of niches, you could even use AI to help you find your niches and even the sub-niches that you probably wouldn't even think of. Tell you what, I have a free guide, and there is an entire page of ideas inside of this free guide. I'll put it down below. All right, don't stop. Keep on going. Keep going to the next one.